Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the most beneficial and the most merciful. My name is Samuel Hassan and I welcome you all in this ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, many of us in the childhood dream of making big houses, long structures and huge buildings. So to give reality to our dreams and to enable to construct any kind of structure you ever want and you ever dreamed of, Nikon College is offering you H&D construction. Before moving onwards, I would like to tell you that why you choose Nikon for H&D. Let me tell you first that Nikon was the first institute on Pakistan having affiliation with HEC, and it provides you the best environment for the practical studies. Nikon provides students different platforms to make them entrepreneur and to build self-confidence so that they can emerge as an important personality. Now moving towards H&D construction. You will be gone through latest softwares being used in the construction process. You will be given full knowledge of civil engineering as well as architect. You will be equipped with the digital skills of designing as well as construction. You will be getting all the field related work, and this degree will not be done after practical work. You will be enabled as a tycoon of the construction work. So, my dear friends, I would like to say only one thing, that if you are willing to blend into the world of construction, want to do interior and exterior designing and want to emerge as an entrepreneur, join H&D construction in Nikon group of colleges as soon as possible. Thank you so much. And now I would like to invite Mohammad Ammar, and he would represent H&D computing. Thank you.